What if you could unleash the full fury of the latest NVIDIA graphics architecture on your favorite games and applications, without breaking the bank or sacrificing precious performance? What if you could experience the future of gaming right now, in stunning 4K and beyond, with ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and the lowest latency possible? But let's face it, we've all been there. We've all struggled with mediocre graphics performance, poor frame rates, and mediocre features that don't quite deliver the results we want. We've all been searching for that perfect balance between price and performance, with features that matter and a build quality that won't let us down. That's where the ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card comes in. This behemoth of a graphics card is not just a new product in a crowded market, but a game changer that redefines what we expect from our high-end graphic solutions. As I unboxed the card, my first impression was one of pure awe. The sturdy metal shroud, the gleaming heatsink, and the precision-crafted components all spoke of a product that's built to last and designed to deliver. The feel of the card in my hand, the solid construction, and the premium materials used all reinforce the notion that this is a true flagship product from a manufacturer that knows its stuff. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's take a closer look at the features that make this card tick. The NVIDIA Blackwell architecture is at the heart of the ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card. This cutting-edge design brings several key innovations to the table, most notably the ability to deliver real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics at the highest resolutions and frame rates. But that's just the beginning. The card also features DLSS 4, which is NVIDIA's fourth-generation deep learning super sampling technology. This means that you can enjoy stunning graphics and fast frame rates without sacrificing any of the detail or realism you want. Military-grade components deliver rock-solid power and longer lifespan for ultimate durability. This is no ordinary card when it comes to its build quality. Every component, from the capacitors to the inductors, has been carefully selected and tested to ensure that it meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. Protective PCB coating helps protect against short circuits caused by moisture, dust, or debris. This may sound like a minor feature, but trust me, it's not. With this card, you can be confident that your system is safe from even the most extreme environmental conditions. The 3.125 slot design with massive fin array is optimized for airflow from 3 Axial Tech fans. This is where the card really shines, delivering unparalleled thermal performance and quiet operation. The phase change GPU thermal pad helps ensure optimal thermal performance and longevity, outlasting traditional thermal paste for graphics cards. I put the ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card to the test in some of the most demanding games and applications out there. The result was astonishing. Frame rates soared, graphics detail improved dramatically, and performance metrics that I'd never seen before in my system. But let's not forget about real-world testing. I took the card on a trip to a local gaming tournament, where the competition was fierce and the stakes were high. With the ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card power in my setup, I was able to deliver smooth, lag-free performance even in the most intense matches. And at the end of the day, I was able to enjoy stunning graphics and fast frame rates on all the games and applications I threw at it. So what are the pros and cons of this amazing card? On the plus side, we have massive performance gains, a feature-rich design, and a build quality that's second to none. With the ability to deliver real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and the lowest latency possible, this card is a must-have for any serious gamer or enthusiast. The ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card also features an array of technologies designed to deliver quiet operation, efficient power consumption, and unparalleled thermal performance. And with its comprehensive warranty and dedicated support from ASUS, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I trust this card to deliver the results I want? Let me tell you, I've put this card through its paces, and I'm confident that it will exceed your expectations in every way. The competition may try to match its performance, but with its unique feature set, rock-solid build quality, and unparalleled support, this card stands head and shoulders above the rest. The ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC Edition graphics card is not just a graphics card. It's a statement of intent. It's a declaration that says, I demand the best, and I'm willing to pay for it. With this card, you'll be able to enjoy stunning graphics, fast frame rates, and real-time ray tracing, all in a package that's as quiet, efficient, and reliable as it is powerful. In comparison to the competitors, the ASUS TUF GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 OC